Today, we're cruising in style and ditching the gas with the top 5 coolest moped-style e-bikes. These rides are perfect for anyone who wants a fun, functional, and frankly awesome way to get around town. So whether you're a seasoned commuter or a weekend warrior looking for a new kind of thrill, buckle up, grab your helmet, and let's explore the top 5 coolest moped-style e-bikes that will have you cruising in style. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The aerial rider Grizzly isn't just another moped-style e-bike. It's an off-road conqueror built for adventure. Forget limitations. The Grizzly tackles any terrain you throw at it. It boasts independent front and rear motors, each packing a punch. This is where the Grizzly truly separates itself from the pack. With a top speed exceeding 30+ mph, you can conquer commutes, explore new paths, and enjoy the wind in your hair with exhilarating speed. This e-bike comes equipped with dual batteries, significantly extending your exploration potential. The Grizzly isn't just powerful, it's built tough. Fat tires provide exceptional grip on any terrain, while the full suspension system absorbs bumps and ensures a smooth ride, even on the most challenging trails. With its groundbreaking dual-motor technology, impressive range, and rugged build, the aerial rider Grizzly is the ultimate electric companion for adventure seekers. It's not just a moped-style e-bike, it's a force of nature, ready to take you wherever your wild heart desires. Forget limitations. The Happyun G50 is your do-it-all e-bike, equally at home on exciting trails or your daily grind. Equipped with a high-performance 750-watt brushless motor, the G50 delivers a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. Range anxiety becomes a thing of the past with the G50's removable 48 volts 18 ampere-hour battery. With pedal assist, you can travel up to 68 miles on a single charge. The G50 boasts a head-turning design that blends a retro motorcycle frame with a modern electrical system. Thanks to the wide fat tires, the G50 is ready for adventure. These tires provide exceptional puncture resistance, allowing you to explore sandy beaches, snowy paths, or any complex terrain with confidence. The G50 prioritizes your comfort. The high-performance front fork suspension and seat suspension work together to absorb bumps and road imperfections, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. The Ryel Bikes R1 isn't your average moped-style e-bike. It's a machine designed for adrenaline junkies and performance enthusiasts who crave exhilarating rides. The R1 packs a serious punch with a formidable 2,000-watt peak motor. This powerhouse propels you forward with incredible acceleration, transforming every ride into a thrilling experience. Imagine cruising at a maximum speed of up to 40 miles per hour. The R1 lets you conquer long distances and explore new territories with exhilarating speed, perfect for weekend adventures or adrenaline-fueled commutes. The R1 boasts a high-capacity 48 volts battery that offers a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. The R1 features front and rear hydraulic disc brakes for confident stopping power in any situation. The combination of high-performance suspension and a sturdy aluminum frame ensures a smooth and controlled ride, even at high speeds. The juiced bike Scorpion the 10th 2 breaks the mold of the typical moped-style e-bike. The X2 boasts a powerful 1,000-watt motor that propels you forward with ease, reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour. With a 52 volts battery, the X2 offers an impressive range of over 55 miles on a single charge. The X2 comes equipped with all-terrain knobby fat tires, providing exceptional grip and traction on everything from city streets to dirt trails. Its powerful hydraulic disc brakes offer confident stopping power in any weather condition, ensuring you're always in control. A super bright headlight and integrated brake light enhance visibility during low-light rides. The X2 features a 7-speed transmission, allowing you to tackle hills with ease and optimize your pedaling for different terrains and speeds. The X2's step-through frame design and comfortable seating ensure a relaxed riding position. It's perfect for riders of all heights and abilities, making even long commutes or off-road adventures enjoyable. The Yoro Flash throws out the rulebook on e-bikes. It's a game-changer. Forget range anxiety. The Flash is built for epic adventures, offering industry-leading range and innovative features that redefine electric mobility. The Flash boasts a modular battery system, the first of its kind. With a single battery, you get a respectable range. But the true magic happens when you add a second or even a third battery. With all three on board, the Flash unlocks an incredible 220-mile range on pedal assist. The Flash features a cleverly designed center-mounted motor. This keeps the bike's center of gravity low and centered, no matter how many batteries you choose to equip. Safety is paramount. The Flash features a powerful 4-piston hydraulic disc brake system with large 180mm rotors. The Flash connects with the Yoro Go app, allowing you to sync information, track rides, and even customize various settings, all from your smartphone. And there you have it, the top 5 coolest moped-style e-bikes that are revolutionizing the way we ride. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more electrifying content. Until next time, ride on.